Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, and preserve any calibration data. Next, remove adjacent trim panels using a trim pry to reveal fasteners. Take photos as you go so reassembly is exact. Unscrew visible Torx and 7mm bolts that secure the bezel. Once done, gently unplug 2 harnesses behind lower fascia. Label each connector and drop them into a magnetic tray. These initial steps get you safe access and prevent lost parts or electrical damage. You now support the Da64v dashboard unit with one hand while removing remaining mounting bolts to avoid it slipping. Once bolts are out, slide the unit forward a ½ inch to access rear connectors. Make sure to depress each locking tab fully before pulling. This prevents broken tangs. Carefully disconnect antenna and USB cables by pulling straight back. Twisting stresses the pins. If a connector resists, wiggle gently while pressing the lock. This method minimizes damage and preserves reusable connectors for reinstallation. You lift the Da64v unit free and place it on a padded surface, then inspect the cavity for any hidden screws, EMI shielding, or clipped retainers you may have missed. If reinstalled unit fails to power, make sure ground and battery connections are secure. Use a multimeter to check 12V presence at the main power pin and continuity to ground. If a connector shows no voltage, reseat it and check for bent pins. This troubleshooting tip quickly isolates electrical faults so you can correct them before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.